Hey guys, I'm back up in Mount Wilson. This time I'm trying out this HD-808 number 16 camera. So I'm going to try and retrace the steps that I did with the number 11 jumbo and see what the difference is. So I'm going to head down the trail right now and then back up, and we'll see how it looks. And as was on the last video, there's all the TV towers. Okay, we're down here on the Mount Wilson Trail just a little ways, and going to head back up to the top and check out how this camera looks as compared to the number 11 jumbo. So here we go, back up to the top. Check out the audio too. I should be able to hear my footsteps, I think. Okay, we're back up to the top. Parking area. Let's head over to the pavilion. Hey guys, where'd you start from?
Nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, try out this little Helen camera here.
Oh, cool.
And just see how well the audio picks up and stuff.
Uh-huh.
So you headed back down now?
Yeah.
Okay, well have a good day, huh?
You too.
Hey, you too, man. See you.
All right.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, just for the hop.
Where'd you ride up from?
Altadena.
How long did it take?
It took
me about 3.5 hours to drive up here.
How's traffic?
Wasn't too bad today.
That's good. Yeah. Trying out this little helmet camera up here, so.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, I use it for bikes and
Yeah.
sports and all kinds of stuff. See, this is a new smaller one, and I just want to see how the audio works out.
Yeah. Did you walk up here from the bottom?
No, I work up here. I'm up here every weekend. So just take a little tour around and put it on YouTube and you know, have fun with it.
Looks good.
Okay. Okay, guys, that's been my test of the HD-808 number 16 camera. Mounted on the top of my helmet. It's just mounted with a piece of Velcro, and we're going to go and compare it to the number 11 Jumbo. So thank you for viewing, and see you down at the next video.